D-Life has introduced new range which was not available.
Everything was delivered on time. Whatever was promised, the installation was hassle-free. Everything was done on time. Hi, I'm Shweta. I work at Infosys as tech lead. We bought this house at Sapanika, the landmark, which is in Vijayanagar 4th Stage, Mysuru.
Hi, I am Ravi. I work as a tech lead in L&T Technology Services.
We started the interiors with D-Life, and when we started our journey sitting with the designers, actually started designing based on our requirements, and the way the designs came out, the 2D and the 3D, we really liked it.
The good part is the availability of the PM and the staff. Whenever we need anything, we can reach them. I know, I remember I have reached to the PM late in the night also that okay, tomorrow what is the plan, I want this, that, but they were available. It's not like they were rude or sir we are busy and all, but yeah, I have no complaints about the installation staff.
When we started looking at the colors and the designs and the experience center also, what they had, so we got to know about the material that they use. They have wide range of materials, and they also target the economical part of it, and also they had very good premium ones as well. Everything was delivered on time. Whatever was promised, they came. The installation was hassle free. Everything was done on time. We were involved in every step so that we don't miss on any part, and the feedback was taken, it was implemented.
I got to know that D-Life has introduced a new range which was not available when our design was finalized. I don't know, so there's something called, but it was having a hell many options. But if I saw other designers or experience centers here, the quality of the product is top notch what D-Life uses.